Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is January 25th, 2022. I'm going to do a video today for everyone who is interested in Tezos. We want to see if the price is a buy right now at $2.88. Welcome to HueFin, also known as HueFin. This is what I do. I do the price prediction without the confusion. I mean, you can see from my price chart that I have a price prediction already on the chart, trying to play the strength into the market in Tezos. Now you guys can see it's a very small opportunity, a very small window to which we could have garnered at least some profits out of this market the last time I did a video. Now I'm going to break that down and then I'm going to see whether or not the market in Tezos is going to continue to go lower, because if so, then 288 is not a buy. We want to be prepared to buy the market as cheap as possible in Tezos, and if it's going to go lower, then this video is going to continue to predict that. But if it looks like the market's going to stop going down from $2.88, then yes, I'm going to do a price prediction looking for the market to go up. So if you guys appreciate my videos, my content, hit that like button, share the video, also subscribe here to the channel, join the community. And as always, if you guys want to get the latest price prediction that I got on my cryptocurrency that I cover on my price charts, come here to my channel, hit this playlist tabs right here, and you all can see all of the videos that I've done regarding my price prediction in the market for these cryptocurrencies. So make sure you come here to get the latest information. All right, now check this out right here. Yep, November the 30th was the last prediction that I did into the market in Tezos, and I was looking for the price to go up. I'm gonna keep it real. I'm being fully transparent with all of my subscribers to show you what my expectations were, and then you guys get to see what the price actually did. Yeah, from out the gate, Tezos went down. Now, one thing that I could have adjusted that I see now is that I should have lowered my overall support area into the market in Tezos, maybe around like $4. This is where the buyers were found at. Okay, this is where we should have came in and propped up that support area when I did this last prediction. Okay, now the only opportunity that we had to see some profitability into the market was when the market in Tezos came up here to around $6 on December the 8th, as well as on the 9th. That was the only opportunity we had. Now you guys can see we came a little bit shy of us getting that ultimate TP price on December the 9th, but we fell short. And this was the beginning of seeing the selling occur into the market in Tezos. See, if you guys want to understand how to read charts, you guys can understand that that day, December the 9th, is when the market told us, hey, we're about to continue to go down in price. And since that moment, since December the 9th, Tezos has been in a downtrend. Yeah, it's been coming down in price. So if you didn't get any profitability on that day, around 15.5%, then yeah, you'd be down pretty big right now. See that? 46.25%. This is one thing I want everyone in my community to realize and understand, is that when you come in and put on a position, you also need to know where you're going to put off your position. You just don't want to buy it and then not know, well, okay, where's my exit? Where do I get up? Where's my off ramp at for me to take my profitability? Go back and listen to my video, because I did tell you that around $6 would be our first price target for us to grab the bag in the market. Now that's done, that is over. We need to talk about some things in Tezos, right? Yeah, we do. Look at this. I'm gonna zoom out and I want you all to pay attention to this line right here. All right, look at this. We need to talk. We need to see whether or not the buyers in Tezos will continue to uphold this trend. This trend has been able to elevate Tezos price all the way back since 2019 of October. Yeah, this is where the trend started. So now we need to see the market in Tezos continue to uplift this price. Now, one thing I can already see is that I may need to lower my trend. Right? Let me show you. Right there. Do you see that? So whoever came into the market yesterday, it looked like you may have found the bottom, especially if the buyers continue to show that they want to keep Tezos elevated. Right there. Let me zoom in so you all can see it. Yesterday was the top, or well, it wasn't the top. Yesterday was the bottom. When you come in and look at the market, this is where you wanted to come in and buy Tezos, right there around $2.50. Were you able to grab that? Did you grab the price of Tezos right there? But what if the price breaks? What if the market in Tezos, instead of keeping the price up, we break down? Do you think that's possible? Because if so, we need to be prepared for it. So look at this on a 3-day time frame real quick. Okay, you see that? This 3-day price bar right here in Tezos is what I term a probable precursor of strength, meaning that on this current 3-day price bar, yeah, we need to see the price close higher, because if so, then all of this volume that came in on this last 3-day price bar, it resembles the buyers. It means that the buyers came in. If this current 3-day price bar right here is able to close higher than its previous one. All right, so remember that in the next 3 days, we need to make sure that the buyers uphold price in Tezos. Now, I like this one on the 2-day time frame. Take a look at that. We got about the same amount of volume in Tezos, and the market did fall, but we was able to conclude right there where we opened. This shows us that the market buyers definitely came in. But let me show you the 3 weeks time frame. This is Tezos on the 3 weeks. All right. Now, from a 3-week perspective, okay, let me tell you this here, that we can still see price break trend because of that. Yes, the long-term basis is showing me more weakness than it is strength. So even though we are noticing that buyers are trying to come into the market in Tezos right now, we really cannot be massively bullish into the market in Tezos long term until we see this price break up here above $4. Yes, we have to see that in order for this market to flip from this weakness that started back in October of last year. We need to see it trade back up above $4 at least. Look at this on the monthly. We got 6 days and 13 hours left. If today was the last day of the month in January, I would be massively bearish, meaning I was looking for the price to go down. I would definitely do that right now if today was the last day in January, because that is weakness. Now, considering that, we need to try to prepare ourselves for price to break trend, this ascending line, and see how low we can go next, right? And I'm seeing $2.25 to $2. Yeah, one thing about when market falls is that eventually it's going to find a basis. Eventually it's going to find a support, and we don't have that far to go right now in Tezos. So I'm looking around $2.25 to $2 now. But that would take us breaking this overall trend in Tezos, which we really don't want to see. But it can happen, and I want to prepare everyone in our community that, yeah, this long-term basis, it definitely looks weak here into the market in Tezos. Look at this one. Yeah, this is the 5-week bar right now, and it definitely looks weak. We're not here to adjust or imagine, that the market in Tezos is strong or that it is bullish. No, we take a look at what reality is showing us, and it is definitely showing us that price is weak. And we don't want to come in and try to adjust it. If it's weak, it's weak. We just need to be prepared for the market to continue to act accordingly. And if they're still showing us weakness, then we need to continue to follow it. Okay, so now let me hit this back over to the daily time frame. Like I said, the market here is weak, and we're going to continue to play the weakness into the market in Tezos until we ultimately see it break back up above $4. All right, now this is going to be like a long-term prediction, meaning, yeah, we can see the price go up tomorrow. I mean, we can see the price go up in the next 5 days, but from a 3-weekly, maybe a monthly time frame is where I'm seeing this weakness. So I'm going to get prepared for it. Now I'm looking around 225 first. That's going to be our first area of taking profitability. 225. Now that gives us around what? 21.5% right there. 225. Okay, I'll be cool with that. I'll definitely take the bag, take the profitability, and move on to another opportunity right there at 225. Biggest areas right there around $2. All right, so this is the long-term play into the market in Tezos. The only way that my prediction will go against me is for us to continue to see these buyers uphold Tezos right alongside this trend that I got created. That's the only way. So as time goes on, I'm going to be paying attention to that, because I know when I need to cut the play. I know when I need to cut the prediction, because the buyers is telling me that they're willing to uphold price in Tezos on that ascending line. This is how you can trade comfortably. This is how you can trade confidently, because you can see what the market is telling you to do. So now, this is my thoughts. This is my premise, my prediction. You don't have to believe it. You don't have to follow it. That is why I got the comment section open, so that you can drop your price prediction and your price target publicly. Yeah, show it to everybody. What are you expecting the price in Tezos to do over the next month or so. All right, drop it real quick. Let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.